Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about card present, card not present, text to pay, and refunds. From within our payments tab, we'll select credit or debit and then choose the card present option from our dropdown. On click of take payment, our balance due will be reflected on our terminal. We can either insert our card or tap. In this case, we'll tap and it'll go ahead and process and approve the transaction. If successful, we'll see a succeeded message in our transactions table. Next, we'll talk about card not present. Selecting the second option in our dropdown, we'll be prompted with a credit card form. We can go ahead and enter in our card information, and on click of take payment, we'll go ahead and process our transaction. Once complete, we'll see the line item in our transactions table, and in this case, with a successful message. Next, we'll talk about text to pay. By sharing the invoice, you can either email, text, or simply copy the link to share with your customer. In this example, we'll text it to our customer, and they'll be able to review the invoice and make the payment directly from their phone. Once they autofill their credit card information and select Make Payment, their transaction will be processed in real time, and we'll head back to the payment section to check the status of their transaction. And lastly, to issue a refund, select the three dots on the right side of your transaction and refund either the entire amount or a portion of the amount. Once refunded, we'll see a secondary transaction open up with a new status of refund in our transactions table. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.